We just unlocked a secret treasure chest inside a pirate-themed room. This is Legoland Japan Hotel, and it might be one of the coolest family accommodations in Japan. But for an Aussie family of 5, is it worth the massive price tag? Let's check in. Less than 2 hours on the bullet train from Tokyo is Legoland Nagoya. Finding hotel rooms in Japan for a family of 5 is a challenge, but this pirate room is genius. The kids get their separate bunk bed zone, a Lego play wall, and a hidden puzzle that unlocks a safe with free Lego toy packs. The hotel also has the brick restaurant where you can have breakfast and dinner, and it even has an indoor playground to keep the kids busy. But the best part? The elevators. When the doors close, the lights drop, a disco ball spins, and party music blasts. Such a fun little touch that made the kids excited every single time. Legoland elevator! Now let's hit the park. A lot of people claim Legoland is too small, but for kids under 10, it is the perfect size. Unlike Disney or Universal, the queues are totally manageable and everything is tailored to primary schoolers and toddlers. One of the biggest highlights of Legoland was how many Lego characters were walking around the park. There were plenty of opportunities to stop for photos and character interactions without long waits. While you can explore the whole park in one full day, we were glad we stayed for 2 so we could revisit all of our favourite rides without feeling rushed. It's worth checking out the Lego Factory tour. It gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how Lego bricks are made. You even receive a souvenir Lego brick to take home. Money-saving tip for families: do not buy your park tickets separately. We bought the combo ticket, which bundles Legoland and Sea Life Aquarium together. Sea Life is right beside the hotel and takes a couple of hours to walk through, making it the perfect way to wind down after a massive day at the park. Our kids especially love the interactive touch pools. So is Legoland Japan worth it? For a family with young kids, it's a definite yes. If you want a stress-free family trip to add to your Japan itinerary, staying at the Legoland Hotel is absolutely worth the splurge for the convenience alone. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we head to Osaka to explore the bright lights and incredible street food before visiting the beautiful deer-filled town of Nara.
Thanks for watching Adventure Compass.